Welcome to Pola Grammar class. Today we have a simple future tense. How to form simple future tense? Will or shall plus V1 form of the verb. We get simple future tense by using will or shall with the V1 form of the verb. V1 form is the base form of the verb. With the I and V, we usually use shall. But in certain cases, we use will with the I and V. We can check which are these reasons. Offer, in an offer, then promise, then determination. Here we use will with the I and V. We can check some examples. I will bring a pen for you. It is an example of an offer. Here we use will with the subject I. Then I will meet you at 10. It is an example of a promise. Here a promise. Here an offer. Then I will win the match. That is the determination. I will win the match. I will win the match. Then you, he, she, they. With these subjects, we usually use will. You, he, she, they. We usually use will, but in certain cases we use shall with these subjects. Order, with an order, a threat, compulsion. Examples: you shall go there. You shall go there. You shall go there. It is an example of an order. Then he shall punish you. It is a threat. He shall punish you. He shall punish you. It is a threat. Then you shall have to come here. You shall have to come here. It is a compulsion. You shall have to come here. Then we can find out which are the occasions we use simple future tense. When to use simple future tense? First occasion, to express an action that is likely to take place in the future. Example: he will attend the class next day. To express an action that is likely to take place in the future. Here we have a time word, next day, then next month, next week, tomorrow, etc. Future time. To express an action that is likely to take place in the future. He will attend the class next day. Here we used simple future tense. Then we use simple future tense with the clauses of condition. Example, if I drop the glass, it will break. Here if clause. We use simple future tense with the clauses of condition. If I drop the glass, it will break. Here we used simple future tense. Another example. The snow will melt when it gets warm. When it gets warm. Will melt. Then we can say it one again. When to use simple future tense. To express an action that is likely to take place in the future. For example, he will attend the class next day. Here, next day is a time word here. We can use some other time words like tomorrow, next month, next week, next year, or the coming time. Then we use simple future tense with the clauses of condition. Here if clause. If I drop the glass, it will break. Then the snow will melt when it gets warm. Okay.